Hey, so Florida Attorney Matt here to follow up with this video that's been one of the most popular on the channel yet. This one is involving an oral argument, second DCA, where a lawyer had some funds that were clients, and there's a dispute between him and another lawyer about how those funds are to be distributed. I said that this was one of the hottest oral arguments I've seen because, most oral arguments, the panel's kind of relaxed. They wait to get the lawyer get their speed, but in this one, just boom. Young lawyer stands up there behind the podium, and instantly the panel is just on top of her. That's because this panel was preparing to have the lawyer who was the target of all this in front of them. You could just tell by the way they had prepared their questioning, and they were quite surprised when this young lawyer steps up there and begins to make the argument. I got to tell you, out of the box, this woman does a phenomenal job. The appellate panel says, "Who are you? And where's Price? He's supposed to be here." And she just says, "Look, I was hired to be here. I filed my notice of appearance, and that's why I'm here making this oral argument." And again, she just did a phenomenal job because in front of a very hot panel, she answered the questions. And I think one of the things you see about the panel is they quickly recognize and acknowledge that this lawyer is here doing a job. Whatever heat they may have for the target of it, they made that very clear, but they also really gave this lawyer space to do her job as a lawyer, to do her job as an advocate. And I think a lot of that has to do with the way that this lawyer presented herself. Victoria Gonzalez, I believe, is going to have a long, storied career in this profession just based on how she handles herself here. The facts are disarming. Not a huge amount of money, and that's another interesting thing. We're kind of arguing over interest, and Judge Sharp, just north of us here, had ordered some interest be paid on this thing, and this guy wasn't too keen on that, so he appealed the judge, and now that oral argument and everything sits out there forever. And what he was asking the appellate court to do was reverse and say that, the judge wasn't in her lane when she ordered that. Well, again, the appellate panel didn't like that argument at all. There's a reference in there. We're talking about a bar complaint. And, they PCA'd, which is something I got to talk about. They'll do much longer. That's one of the most frustrating things about all these things, PCAs, where they just don't even write on it. They just affirm the lower court, but then, pops up this bar complaint where the bar goes into some detail about what happened here. Again, interesting thing about this, not a ton of money, and it looks like there was communication back and forth between this lawyer and everything that's involved here, and that's why I'm, looking at this long 9-page long complaint and the response. It ends up with a resolution, an agreed resolution, so kind of an admission, but just kind of made a mistake, not going to do that again. The point of this whole thing, though, is to show how important this tough legal work is. And again, the heads up, the hands up, the thumbs up is that young lawyer that did this really good job. Why am I bringing all this up? Well, because these videos are getting a huge amount of traction. And I just encourage you to like and subscribe to this page so you can get more of these and understand that it's a work in progress. I'm always going to be updating them, putting the opinions in there, gathering them, grabbing them, and making it more interesting for everybody that's involved.